Hi friends, this is Mona Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of IT, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. And today we are going to discuss about how to use submit button in HTML. Because most of us don't know what are all the benefits of submit button and how to use it. So in this video, we'll explain you how to use submit button and how to transfer the messages using the submit button. Also, we can see. Okay. So first, this video is going to explain how to use the submit button. So how to use command lines in HTML like C and C++ having double slash no. Likewise, the HTML uses the command line, open tag, exclamatory symbol, and this double hyphen. It is used to set the command line. It will not take for execution. That is the main objective of command line, and this is for how to use submit button. So this video explain how to use submit button. So this video, and HTML is a markup language which is which can be embedded to all other scripting languages like PHP, Python, Perl, Ruby, these and ASP.NET. All scripting languages can embed with HTML because HTML gives you to create attractive web pages. That are the very main benefits of HTML. So before we are developing any scripting languages, any application using scripting languages, we must well known about HTML, hypertext markup languages. That's why I'm before going to next scripting languages, that is PHP using message passing mechanism, I am started this lecture to do how to use the submit button for using by our HTML, because this will be helpful to enhance the future in PHP. That's why here this video explains you. And HTML, all HTML program starts with the root tag HTML. HTML is a root tag to all other some tags because HTML language consists of several tags. Each tag specifies some action. Each tag will perform some action. So that way, HTML is a root tag in HTML program, and each and every all tags in HTML should be right within this HTML open tag to close tag. So closing tag will represent using by the slash, and it is not mandatory that some of the tags may exceptional using the closing tag, but HTML is a root tag must have the end tag, that is opening tag plus slash with HTML. Within this, we can add the HTML codings. So here our objective is to use submit button. So to submit the button, what is the benefit of submit button? You can transfer your contents from one web page to another web page using by the submit button. This is the main objective of submit button. So whenever you are using submit button for the transferring purpose, you must have one more tag, that is called as form tag, and one more instruction, that is one more note is that whatever the changes, whatever the effects you need to do for your web page should be given using by the body tag. So body is a very important tag. So the changes whatever you needed for your web pages should be given within the body tag. So within the body tag only, all some other tags may be included, like as the coloring of your web page. So if you want to color your web page into some color, like as a yellow color, means you have to give your attribute, that is using by the attribute body bg color equal to yellow. So automatically your background color of your web page will be the yellow color. Okay. So and also body also it is an important tag for closing your HTML, because all some of the tags, the important mandatory tag may be given within the body tag, because whatever the effect you needed for your web pages will be given within the body tag. So now our objective is to use the submit button. So if you want to use the submit button, you must have to give one more button, that is called as a form button, because this form button will will represent to which form you want to transfer, that will be given. This is your actually where you are working. This file is called as your current form, and form tag will have the transferring file. Where do you want to transfer your current file to some other file? So target file will be given in the form tag. So form tag target file can be set using by the action method. So action is an attribute, and in HTML there is that statement which comes close to the tags, there is open, there is less than symbol, that is called as, so the statement which comes nearest to the less than symbol is called as a tag. After the tag, the many names will come, that names are called as attributes. Attributes may have values, that values will be given using with the equal to symbol. So here we want to create one more file, that is our target file. Maybe consider I am going to save this file as first.php, means there is first.php or first.html or first.js or some other any scripting languages I can store this. So here this file I am going to store as first.php, that what I am working now, and I want to so when I am pressing a button, I want to go to second.php file, means my target file is known as second.php. So second.php, and this working file is first.php. Now not that I save, so hereafter only I am going to save. And also one more attribute is called as what? Method attribute. So in method attribute you can give two kinds of methods. One is get method and next one is post method. So get method is used to whatever the details you are giving in this current file, the details you want to know to the transfer file through the address bar, you can use get method. Otherwise you want to hide your information whatever you are giving from your current file to the target file, you can simply use post method, it will hide your details. Okay, and just close the tag and form action. So here our target is you are creating submit button. So submit button is an attribute of type. Submit button is a value of type attribute which comes under the tag input tag. So input tag only offers the submit button feature. So input type equal to submit. So our button type is equal to submit. Enough, and I close this. Okay, so closing input tags to be closed. So you can close one more way is, that is you are not going to write after closing the statement, after closing the particular tag to some other tag, you can simply close using by the slash with closing tag likewise also. And we created the submit button, and finally we are going to close the form button 2, form tag, and close it. Just save this file into first.php. You can save under any scripting name. First.php, saved it. First.php is already available. Home.php. I'm just to save this file as home.php, and I'm going to create one more file for, that is because here we mention our target file is second.php. So for that purpose I am created one more file, that is second.php. So just to save this file, save this file second.php, and just save this file. But here I'm just simply we can use simple quotes, because this is just we are going to check whether our the submit button is working or not. That's our objective. So body we are checking, so we set our body bg color equal to green, and close our body and close our HTML. Nothing I mentioned. Here we have two files, one is home.php and next one is second.php. In home.php we gave our bg color equal to yellow, and we use one submit button. So when we are clicking the submit button, it automatically transfer to the second.php file, and we close the form tag, and we close the body tag, and then we close the HTML tag also. Okay, now we'll check whether it is working or not. We'll check. So here we save both files, and just go to localhost, because where our PHP files are working, just localhost, our files are rows. So if you're saving your files into desktop means you can simply save as HTML. That is here home, instead of home.php you can store as home.html. Instead of second.php you can store as second.html. Likewise, same procedure. So in our home.php, we set our background as yellow and we have one button, that is submit button. So in that when I am clicking the submit button, the control will transfer to the second file, that is second.php file. So where we set our background color is green. Now we will check whether it is working or not. So when I am clicking submit button, it goes to second.php. You can see which file you are staying. You can check in address bar. So in this address bar you can see now our current file is second.php. It is background color is green. So this is how our submit button is working. So once again I'm going to explain you in submit button how. So when how submit button is working means submit button will successfully working when you are using the form tag. So this is mandatory because so when you are submitting your current document, you have to mention where the content of the document to be transferred. That will be given in the form tag. Okay. So form tag uses two attributes. One is action attribute and next one is method attribute. It is not a mandatory attribute, but if that attribute is given properly, then only the content of the current file will be transferred. Okay. For that purpose, so here we are used two attributes. One is action and next one is a method attribute. So action attribute will have the file, target file, where do you want to transfer when you are clicking the submitting button. Okay, so that action button helps to transferring file, helps to navigate from current file to the targeting file. That is the objective of action button. And method is used to which way the content to be transferred. That is you want to show your content to all the viewers through the address bar, or don't you want to show the details of the current page on address bar. That will be given in the post or get method. Okay, there are two kinds of method. One is get method will be visible to all and post method will not visible to all. So that are the main objective of methods. Okay, and finally we are using submit button. So submit button will be submit is an value of the attribute type and it comes under the tag. One is input tag. So input offers several tags like the text tag, label. You can use several tags using by the input. Like this. Now you want to change the name because here we are seeing our button name as simply submit, but you want to say change the name means you can change using by the value attribute. So how do you change using by the value? So value like as you can set the value equal to transfer. I'm just using transfer or click me. So when the click me will done, automatically it moves to the second.php files. So just save this and go and again refresh your page. Now it changed as click me. So click me, when I'm clicking the click me button, it automatically transfers to the second.php. So which attribute it helps to change the name of your button means using by the value attribute. Remember there is a difference between value attribute and one more attribute is name attribute. So this name attribute we are going to use in scripting languages for connecting our codings. Okay, so don't use name attribute instead of value attribute. Value attribute only is used to set the value on the button. Okay, so that is the objective. So these are all the things about submit button. Just be careful when you are using your submit button. Thank you for listening. Thank you.